Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to unarchive post on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Tap onto profile, scroll down. First of all, I am showing how to archive your post. Select a post, tap onto three dot, click onto archive. Okay, this post will be archived, and now let's go. I'm showing how to unarchive post. Look at the right corner, tap onto three dot, click on archive option. Click on the arrow icon, select post archive. Now shown here to archive post. Click on, tap on three dot and click on show on profile. Go back. So that's how you can easily unarchive post on Instagram. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.